Yeah. Again, just trying to get that wow factor. You got oohs and ahs, and you have the wow.
It's the perfect goodbye for everybody after seeing the 2 miles of legs. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye.
Alrighty.
Thank you to you and your family for sharing this with me. It was such a joy.
Merry Christmas, we're glad you came.
My visit to Christmas Tree Lane was exactly what Dean said it was going to be. Nothing I've ever seen before. Check and wow. Check. If everyone has displays like this, it's going to be a tough competition. You're going good.
Yeah, I think so too.
You shouldn't have to worry about adding up all the taxes and fees to your monthly bill. That's why our plan started just $35 after $5 auto pay card. All in, taxes and fees included. Cricket, something to smile about.